character and he is gay, the actor.
Okay. Ready? Okay, when you're ready, Gerard.
Swartz maked smethers, smattered with smoke, drive me to death with din of her dintes. Switch noise on night as nae heard them and never. What cnaven cries and clattering of connocks. The Camade Congons crying after cool, cool, and blowing her bellows that all her brain breastes. Huff puff, says this one, half puff that other. They spitten and sprawling and spelling many a spell. They gnawn and gnashin and groan is together, and holding him hoot with her hard hammers. Our bullhide been her barm fells, her shanks been shackled for the fear flunderers. Heavy hammers they hand that hard been handled. A loss, boss, lass, dus, so stark strokes they striken on a steeled stock. Loss, boss, lass, dus, such which doleful a dream the devil it to drive. The maester longeth a little and twineth a less, twineth them twain and toucheth a treble. Tick-tack, 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 tick-tack. Hop, loss, boss, lass, das, which life they lead in all clovermares. Christ, him give sorrow. May no man for Brenwaters on a night and his rest. What was that?
And then Celia had a special request, didn't she?
It can also be done because they're all sorts, even in the 14th century. And I think the poet was really probably a bit more like this. Swartz maked smethers, smattered with smoke, drive me to death with din of her dintes. Switch noise on night as ne'er heard him and never. What cnaven cries and clattering of connocks, the Camade Congons crying after cool, cool. Blowing her bellows and all her brain breastes. Huff puff, says this one. I can't remember. It's 30 years since that version of it. Of a bullhide been here balm fell. Shanks been shackled for the fear flunderers. Heavy hammers they had that hard been handled. Stark strokes they striken on a steeled stock. Last pass, last dance. Switch doleful a dream the devil it to drive. The maester longeth a little and lasheth a less. Twineth him twain and toucheth the treble. Tick-tack, tick-tack. Lost, boss, lass, dust, which life they lead in all clovermares. Christ him gives sorrow away. May no man on nights... I forgot. May no man for Brenwaters on night and his rest. Not quite. In neither case is it quite what was originally written. I came up against a glitch, two glitches in the first version and several in the second.
Lovely. Thank you, Gerard.
Disclaimer.
Fab.
Yeah.